Hi guys, welcome back to my video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a really quick glam look. Something that I like to do in a hurry when I want full beat, but I have very little time. So, the first product I'm going to go in with is my primer. And today I'm going to be using the Rimmel Lasting Finishing Primer. Next, I'm going to go in with foundation, and for today's foundation, I'm going to be using the Burts Goodness Glow Foundation in the shade Chestnut. And I'm going to take that on my synthetic foundation brush, and I'm going to do about 2 pumps, and then I can always add more where I feel like it's needed. This is more of a full coverage foundation with like a natural finish. Next, we're going to go in with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Deep Golden. And I'm going to go under my eyes in a triangle. Okay, this isn't perfect because we're going to blend it out. Down the bridge of my nose, on my forehead. And that's all I'm going to take it. And you're just using any damp beauty sponge that you have, just blend that in. I like to move the product around initially right away everywhere, and then I'm going to go back in and really blend it in, just because if I leave it in place it does dry down very fast. Next, I'm just going to set my entire face using the Maybelline Fit Me powder and a big old fluffy brush in the shade 355. I'm going to try to recreate this look at the same speed that I did that day, because when I did this look it was going to a fashion show and I had no time to get ready. We're also going to prime our eyes with that same concealer, and we'll just go over with the same setting powder that we just used. Just take any brush you have laying around, set your eyes, but probably not that giant one that we used to set our face with. Okay, now for the eyes. I'm going to go in with my Morphe E53 palette, and I'm going to just take this crease shade right here, and I'm going to mix it with this one over here, which is more of a slightly deeper brown, and I'm just going to take that all through my crease. This look typically takes me about 20 minutes to complete. And then right after that, we're going to go in with a deep brown shade. I'm going to take this one right on the bottom, going for a pretty. And I'm just going to take that right throughout the outer half of my lower lash line, going up towards the corner to meet where we started that crease shade. Right after that, I'm going to go in with this sort of satiny shade. It's like a light brown, kind of looks like the first crease shade we went in with, only just a tad lighter. And I'm just going to take this all across my lid. Our inner corner highlight, I'm going to take this shade. It's kind of like a duochrome. It kind of reflects a little bit of like light gold and pink. It's going to be a cool pop of color for our inner corners. Make the look a little different, a little unique. And I'm going to use a pretty generous amount for this. And for this look, I left the lower lash line blank, so that's all we're going to do for eyes. We're going to move on to brows next. I went for a more sculpted brow for this look in particular. Whenever I do my foundation, like a full coverage foundation, I like my brows to be very pronounced and filled in. For my brows, I just went with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil and my L'Oreal Stylist Plumper for setting them. And then after brows, we're going to go in with blush. I'm going to take this NYX Perfect Filter eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with that orange shade right there, and I'm going to use that as blush today. I always like to tap my brush off because I don't like a very intense blush. And I always like to use different products that they're not meant for. Who cares? And then we're going to go with the Sephora Compact in Mocha Java. This is their powder foundation. And we're just going to use that to contour. And then we'll take it around my hairline, but very close to the edge, just to make sure everything's blended together. Taking more of an oval synthetic brush, I'm going to just go in with my bronzer. And I'm going to be using the Milani Baked Bronzer in Golden. And for this, I'm definitely going to take it a lot further down than I did with that contour on my head. But I'm still going to avoid like the entire middle section of my forehead. Take this under my chin as well. And for highlight, I'm going to go in with my Hard Candy Baked Bronzer in Hula Hula. A lot of times in the drugstores, I find that their bronzers work great as a highlighter as well for a deeper skin tone. I'm just going to take that with a fluffy highlighting brush. Take that on my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose. Take my nose just a little bit. And then right up on my eyebrows, I'm just going to take that towards my hairline. And then with that same contour that we went in with earlier, on that same pointed brush, I'm just going to take very little on the edge. I'm just going to run that down the sides of my nose to give like light nose contour. Blend that out with my fingers just a little bit so there's no harsh lines. Now we get to move on to lips, our last thing. And for lips today, I'm going to go in with the lip pencil from e.l.f. in Praline, and I'm going to use that to fill in my entire lips. And then right over that, I'm going to go in with my Hard Candy lipstick in the shade Bloodline. I'm going to fill my lip. I'm just going to top that off with a gloss. I'm going to go in with the Vivid Hot Lacquer by Maybelline in the shade Unreal. And I'm just going to put that right in the center, and then I'm going to top it out with my fingers. Because this is a lighter gloss, so I don't want to just put it all over my lips or else it's going to look crazy. And that completes our finished look for today. That's really quick, easy glam. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Bye!